Subway restaurants there are in the world?
No, I don't know.
No? Can you guess?
So many.
So many?
3 million?
Especially
1 million.
4 million.
Oh. 40,855 restaurants in 105 countries. And do you know how many Subway restaurants there are in Canada? Canada? Can you guess?
10?
10? Just 10?
No. 10,000.
You mean thousand?
I mean 1,000.
10,000? It's too much.
Yeah.
4,562. So, there are a lot of Subway restaurants in the world, but some people can't order there. They still can't order there because they don't know how to order at Subway. So today, I will tell you about how to order at Subway. First, I will tell you 5 steps to order at Subway, and second, I will tell you 2 tips for saving money at Subway. Okay. First, I'm going to tell you 5 steps to order at Subway. Step 1. Choose size. Choose your sandwich size and meat and bread type. They have 2 sizes. The big one is called a foot long, and the small one is called a 6-inch. You can choose a size that you want. And next, you have to choose. You have to choose meat and the type of bread. Maybe you will choose them at the same time. So first, there have chicken, beef, turkey, and tuna, and pork. So and then they also have different kinds of bread, like flat bread, Monterey, cheddar, and Italian, and honey oat, and wheat.
Italian is the best.
So you can choose that you want. You can choose them that you want, and you can just say, can I have, for example, can I have roast chicken on flat bread? Yes. Just and step 2. Add cheese and decide to toast or not. There are many different kinds of cheese. So if you when you order at Subway, you have to give specific information. Do not say just white cheese. Yes, it's so confusing. There have cheddar cheese and white American and Swiss and Monterey pepper jack cheese, and I think more. They have more. And after that, you have to decide to toast or not. Toast or not. But I recommend if you add cheese, toasting is better. Yeah. Next step 3. Choose vegetables. But I think it's the most confusing step because they have a lot of vegetables. So if you when you order, if you don't know what to choose, you can just say everything. For example, everything except cucumber or something you don't like. Like that. Everything except something. Okay. And step 4. Choose the sauces. They have a lot of many different kinds of sauces. So, for example, mayonnaise and barbecue, chipotle southwest sauce, and sweet onion, or I think more. And if you like sweet sauce, you can choose barbecue and sweet onion. And if you like spice sauce, you can choose chipotle southwest sauce. Okay. Next is last step. Pay is very important step. So pay the crowd and say thank you. Yes. And after you order, pay the crowd. It's a very important step, and easy step if we have enough money. Yes. And don't forget to say thank you to the crowd. So now you know. Like thank you. Yes. Now you know the 5 steps to order at Subway, but we are students, so we don't have enough money, right? Yes. So how can we save our money at Subway? Now I'm going to tell you 2 tips for saving money at Subway. This is. First, go to Subway with a friend. Just a friend is important. A friend. Yes. As I said, Subway has 2 sizes. So yes. So if you go to Subway with a friend, you should order a food room size. It can easily be split in 2 to save money. And second, avoid going for the combo deal. Avoid. Going for the combo deal. Sometimes the combo deal looks cheap, but actually it is not. It costs a lot. So if you want to drink something, you can ask for water, and and the clerk will provide you with a free cup. And like that. Yes. And if you don't need Coke, you don't need to order the combo deal. So now you know now you know 2 tips for saving money at Subway. Today I talked about how to order at Subway. So first I talked the 5 steps to order at Subway, and second I talked 2 tips for saving money at Subway. Now, can you order at Subway?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
If I have
Okay. Let's watch the video together.
trick.
Ah.
16 shade of roast chicken and on flat bread. 16. The additional cheddar cheese.
What's on your
Can I have the cheese, tomato, and red onion, green pepper, cucumber, and olives.
any sauce?
We're gonna get barbecue sauce and sweet onion and salt and pepper. Parmesan cheese, tomato, rice, cucumber, the sort of mold.
Maybe.
Fresh.
Now you know
Yeah.
how to order a subway. But I forgot the most important thing. Eat fresh. Thank you.
I have a question.